Hi guys. I can't find Baby Echo anywhere. I can't start the lesson without him. Anybody know where he is? I looked like in the cafeteria, I looked in the gym, he's nowhere to be found. What? On top of my Oh, Echo, when did you fly up there, you silly goose? All right, now we can get started. Thanks for your help, guys. All right, who knows what we always do first? That's right. It's time for the vowel sounds warm up. A, apple, A. A, safe, A. Acorn, A. A, wash, ah. A, squash, ah. A, Alaska, ah. E, ed, eh. E, Pete, E. E, me, E. I, itch, I. I, pine, I. Hi, I, animal, I or I, champion, E. O, octopus, ah. O, home, O. O, no, O. U, up, up. U, mule, U. You rule, you pupil, oo, and you flew, oo. Why cry, why baby E? And today we are also going to the R control. Why do we call them R controls? Because that R is controlling the vowels. It makes them make a different sound. Some people say bossy R. We call them R controls. Repeat after me and echo. AR, car, R. OR, horn, or. ER, her, IR, bird, burner. Oof, don't burn yourself. Okay, and next is time for our flashcards. Let's read some together. We're going to start with our roots. Fact, tract, fract, struct, dict, ject, duct, speck, cyst, scrib, min, flect, junct. Are those real words all by themselves? No, parts of words, big meanings. Okay, now let's take a look at our prefixes. Come on, guys, let's do it. Un, miss, dis, non, trans, sub, in, im, m, con, x, n, and a couple of the open syllable prefixes. Here we go. E, d, pre, pro, free. Great job. All right, so today we have two things on our schedule. We have a Make It Fun activity, which is going to actually be charades, and we have a unit test. So if you are at home learning, that means that when you go back into school, your teacher will likely give you the test then, rather than doing it now. That could change. And if you're in school today watching this video, get ready, it's test day. You have been working so hard. It's the last day of our bonus unit, which is all about prefixes and suffixes, prefixes and roots, no suffixes. Okay, so that being said, it's time for some charades. I think what we're gonna do here is I'm gonna act out, or maybe Baby Echo will act something after I pick a root card, and you guys have to try to guess what the root is. So if you want to have your common roots sheet out to help you from your notebook, you can, or maybe you think you know them without. Let's do a couple, and then you can act some out and have like a stuffed animal guess at home for fun. Or if you want to go above and beyond, you could act some out and make a video and post it to your teacher and see if she can guess it. All right, so here we go. Let me pick one out. Okay. Get ready. I have really bad seats at this Patriots game, but I'm trying to watch the players way down there. Hmm. Which route do you think I'm acting out? Write it on your board and hold it up. What route is that? I just can't see it very well. Okay, so write it on your board and check. The answer was spec. I was acting out like being a spectator or trying to spectate because spect means see or look. Okay, let me pick another one from the pile. Okay, Baby Echo's gonna act this one out. Oh, ow, ow. I think I broke my little foot. I'm gonna have to go to the hospital and get a cast on it because it is so hurt. Ow. What root do you think that is? Write it on your whiteboard. The correct answer was fract, which means to break. He fractured his foot. Let me pick another one here. You guys are good guessers, or am I just a good actress? I don't know. Okay. How am I going to do this one? All right, I got it. Mrs. Holbrook, can I go play in the gym? Sure. Once you get your work done. No, I want to go now. Please, please, please. No, you really need to do what you need to do first. I'm not going to change my mind. You have to get your work done. What do you think? What root could that be? Write it down. I was going for the word insist. Like I insisted, I was firm. You have to get your work done first. I wasn't changing my mind. So insist was the word I was trying for, the root I was trying for there. All right, one more. You on the piano, you on the guitar. Make sure you're following my lead. Dun, 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 dun. All right, write it down. What root is that? Duct. I was guiding them, I was leading them, I was being a conductor. Okay, so the next part of today's lesson is indeed the test. I want to let you know exactly what's on the test so you're prepared. You're going to need to write all the ways to spell 4 sounds. Okay, so make sure if your teacher were to say, let's go with A. If your teacher were to say long A, you need to make sure that you know how to write all the ways for long A. So for example, there's A, and there's A dash E, vowel consonant E. Good. And then if your teacher were to say short U, like make sure you know all the different ways to say it. So if that's something you need to practice and you're not feeling very confident in, you should be looking through your notebook, practicing, or even asking your teacher for a little support. The next part of your test is that you're going to have to write 4 prefixes. So all these prefixes that we're practicing, 4 of them are going to be said to you, and you have to spell them correctly. The next part of your test is you will have 5 roots that you have to spell correctly. And then you're going to have to match the meaning to the word. Okay? Oh, and then lastly, you're going to have 2 sentences to write. They need to be spelled correctly, and they'll have all the things we've been working on. So don't forget, when you do your test in school, you will be allowed to use your resources. So make sure you're comfortable using these. Your teacher can't help you, but these are there for you to support you. Okay? I wish you the best of luck. I hope you've been working hard and you'll do great. Take your time and do your best. Have a good rest of your day.